if there are scratches on glass, and you can see the scratches clearly. Draw the working region on the back of the glass. Prepare the tool set. Firstly, use M1 rough grinding sheets. Make the angle grinder speed to 2.5. Keep grinding until glass powder appears and scratches disappear. Then change to M2 fine grinding sheets. Grinding the glass for a larger region than rough grinding, until the fine grinding region covers the rough grinding region. Now the scratches disappear. Prepare to polish for the last step. Use P1 polishing sheets to polish the fine grinding region. Use some water when polishing. Make the angle grinder speed to 3.5. Polish until it covers the fine polishing region. Stop it when the scratches and grinding marks disappear. Then clear the glass surface with water.